If you feel like you keep starting over and over, this will explain why, but not in a motivational way, in a structural way. This guide is for people who are capable, intelligent, and self-aware, yet they can't remain consistent. You know what to do, you just don't do it consistently. That's not a character flaw, it's a system issue. This is not a watered down preview or surface level advice. I don't believe in free content that delivers no value and wastes your time. This guide shows you exactly what's been running your behavior and why effort alone has not worked. Execution isn't about discipline, it's about identity alignment. When your internal systems are misaligned, everything feels heavy. But when they are aligned, execution becomes automatic. This guide helps you identify the identity loop sabotaging your follow through, the hidden standards governing your decisions, why motivation spikes, then collapses, and what must change for consistency to become natural. This isn't theory, it's a mirror. You'll read this quickly, but if you apply it honestly, you'll see yourself with so much uncomfortable clarity and immediate relief. Because once you see the system, you stop blaming yourself. Download the guide below. No hype, no pressure, just clarity, and a new way to understand why execution has been harder than it should be.